All right, class, we're going to practice when we're spelling a word with ing. Let me go over some things real quick so that way we're clear on some of these words. Let me see. Okay, so a vowel we learned and we should know is A, E, I, O, U, sometimes Y. A consonant is every other letter, like B, C, D, X, W, T, M, N. So those are consonants, that whole alphabet. Vowels are A, E, I, O, and U. Just so we can be clear, so I'm going to talk about consonants and vowels. The first part is almost all words, not all of them, but a large part of our vocabulary and words, all you need to do with the vowel are verbs is add ing. So we have the word like eat, you would just add ing. We have eat, then we have going, and then you'll have study. Study, and then ing. Okay, so we're just going to add an ing. Sometimes when we add ing, we have to make some other changes. So just a minute ago, I talked about a consonant, a vowel, and a consonant. Okay, so like this one, if I were to write it out, this one would be a vowel, a consonant, right? Go would be a consonant and a vowel. Study would be consonant, consonant, vowel, consonant, vowel. That's the pattern for each letter of the word. So here we have words. It says one syllable verb. Okay, so here we go. So one syllable verb. So a lot of times you've probably taken classes before. When we say words, sometimes they have you clap it out. So run. Just one sound. Beautiful. Two, right? There's two syllables. Beautiful. Beautiful. I guess that's three. Three. So if I say run, it's one syllable. So when we want to put ing, it would have to double the consonant at the end. So it would be, let me get this. So run, this would be running. I am running home. One syllable, plain. Plan. Plan. That's the verb. I plan, so planning. So it would make the two sounds. Run, ning. Plan, ning. Study, studying. Studying. Going. Eating. So those are one syllable. Now we're going to try some with two or more. So if there's a word that's one syllable, it makes that run, one sound, but it ends in X, W, or Y, we do not double it, right? This one has a pattern of consonant, vowel, consonant. So the examples that we have here are show, and then it would be stay, and the next one would be mix. Oops. See, I doubled it, and it shouldn't be doubled. So it would just be mix, show, stay. There goes my marker top. So in this situation, we do not double it, even though it's a one-syllable sound, and we just add ing. Mix-ing, show-ing, stay-ing. I am staying at my friend's house. Okay, when we come to two syllables, so it's clap, clap, two sounds. So we're going to do that one. So when it comes to two syllables, so here we go. So we have the first syllable. So we have refer. Okay, refer. This one has a, oh, let me do a different color. Consonant, vowel, consonant. On this particular one, because it has two syllables, and we repeat the final consonant only if the last word is stressed. Refer, refer. Next one is, I'm trying to keep my color straight. So a lot of times in your speaking class, you might know a little bit more about stress, is when it goes up. Refer, and it's two claps. Refer. Begin, begin. So the sound goes up. When that last sound, the consonant last sound goes up, you also repeat the last letter. Refer-ing. So do you hear it? This is the way you're saying it. You're saying refer-ing, refer-ing. It goes down. Begin-ning. So when you're saying it in English, it's begin-ning. It goes up, it comes down. It also has a consonant, vowel, consonant. So then it would have two consonants in ing. And they have two more to go. We're going to do two syllables. And the last part is not stressed. It doesn't go up. And to be honest, I know there's all these rules about consonants and stress, but I think it just takes practice. The more we write it, the more you remember it. So even if you make a mistake, just remember to add the ing on, and you'll keep practicing with some of these words to remember which one has two N's or two R's at the end. So the next one is open. So it's actually open. This one doesn't go up. Open. The next word is, so this part's going up. Offer. So that means the ending is not stressed. So this one you're just going to add ing. Open. 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 Offer. This is two syllables. Open. 1, 2. Ing. Offer. This one goes down. You just add ing. Offer. Okay, and the last one, the two main rules I feel like is for anything is the ones that I just went over might be harder to remember, but most verbs you're just going to add ing. The other one that comes up a lot with words are words that end in IE. And so these ones, these particular words like lie, you would change the IE to a Y and add ING. Lying. Like die. I am dying, teacher. Too much homework. I'm dying. Okay, that's a very common one. And the other one that stands out for me are words that end in E. So we add ing, the E will go away and it'll just be writing. And another one would be, here we go, rescue. We would erase and add ing. Right? So let's look at two words real quick that I know people get confused with sometimes. So we learned that if it ends in an E, we take the E off and add ing. Right? And if it's one syllable and it's stressed, you add two consonant sounds. So this one's hope. So I hope to pass your class. Hope. We erase the E and add ing. I hope. Hop. When people hop, that's hop. So hop, it goes up. And it's one syllable, so it would be hop-ing. Hoping, I'm hoping to pass your class. The frog is hopping on the floor. Hopping. Hoping, hopping. All right, we'll go on to the next section. Remember, just practice. I know this is a lot of rules, but you can do it.